Yo, we're back with another breakdown. This album, East End Confessions from Zeina, was a masterclass in social media excellence. So I want to show you how to drop a song just like her. I've brought up her TikTok account. I want to go through some key posts, how she launched a challenge, so you can dissect it, look at what worked successfully, and do it for yourself. And so I want to break down the song, and at the end, I'll tell you how many streams it got. Sound like a deal? Most artists, when they try and launch a TikTok challenge, they only do the launch video. But Zeina shows the persistence of how many posts it truly takes. All right. So when we scroll down, she launched the song itself after the album was out. So this was a timestamp from one of the tracks once the full project was available to stream. Then when we scroll down, you're already going to start seeing some previews of it. She did this video in the car introducing the song for the very first time. Once she had this, she then opened up with a water bottle challenge where she placed it on her head and did very specific dance moves with the water bottle and to see if others could do it too. And now let's just count how many times Zeina did the challenge herself. So you got one, then she's got a car performance, and then here it comes. 2, 3, 4 performances, 5 performances, 6, 7, 8, 9, keep going, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, on stage at a festival, 20. And then it became a huge phenomenon, so she did a montage of everyone else's entries as well. 21, 22, and you get the idea. She consistently kept entering with her own challenge. And by doing the move herself, it inspired others to want to get involved and see if they could take it up as well. I want to let you know how many streams this song has done. And so here are the numbers. So Hot has 1.82 million streams from Zeina, who's on 572,000 monthly listeners. And so that challenge has directly related into streams on her record. The whole album, my days, that's crazy. You see it here. There's like songs with 10 million streams, 7 million streams, 4.3, 1.8 is one of the lowest, 3.0, and then other kind of album tracks are all on multiple hundreds of thousands of streams. And so Zeina has made back the money on all of those high-end production kind of pieces of content that she's made. But all of this lo-fi content has been a serious catalyst for driving up streams. And so this to me is a masterclass. I recommend you follow her at ZeinaMates, ZeinaMates, and I just watch the way she creates content. You'll learn a thing or two. I certainly do by studying her account. She is a masterclass in social media, so learn to drop a song like Zeina. If you like this analysis, then grab my free guide, how to add an extra 10K to 30K Spotify streams per song to stack an extra 100,000 monthly listeners onto your account. It's available for free right now from my website. Just pop in your email address so I know where to send the guide, and it's all yours.